Pasquato designs and manufactures machines for slitting, rewinding, and cross-cutting of electrical insulation materials. Our solutions are suitable for flexible and technical films, laminates, paper-based materials such as cellulosic and pressed paper, and tapes. Roll stand options available for different roll sizes. Small rolls are handled by an integrated roll stand, while heavy rolls require a separate unwinder. The slitting method is selected according to material properties. Shear cutting preferred for insulation materials, with knife holders configured based on the required slit width. The optimal slitting method is defined through preliminary tests with the customer. The Slitter rewinder is equipped with 2 rewinding positions with cantilevered shafts. Core slip or core lock friction shafts can be selected depending on the material. Open loop tension control and automatic web guide are included as standard. Cross-cutting is performed by scissor action. Standard or heavy-duty configurations are available depending on the material. Contact Pasquato for more information.